Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play. I'm Rachel and welcome to my channel. Okay, so today I want to show you how to cook fried okra, and we're going to be doing that on the stove. Fried okra. Okay, so let's get started. And by the way, hit that thumbs up if you like the video, share the video with others, and subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. I welcome you all. Okay, so let's get started and learn how to cook some fried okra. How about that? Now, you know, okra is, if you cook it too much, it gets slimy, and people don't really like the slimy part. But frying it brings a whole new different taste to it, and I'm not boiling it. I'm putting it right in raw, just like it came out the ground, okay? So that will control some of that sliminess, and it won't be slimy like that, okay? Just a little tiny bit, but not much, because we're not going to cook it that long, alright? Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I have here, let me get my okra. I have here the okra, okay? And so what I did was I just cut off the ends. So I'm cutting off this end and this end, both ends, okay? So just cut it off with the knife. I got one more to show you. Okay, we're cutting off this end and this end. Okay, so all our ends are off. I'm going to move my cutting board. Now, you're going to wash them. Okay, so they're all washed, okay, ready to go. Now let's put some seasonings. I'm going to use some ground garlic. I have my fire on getting hot, just so you know. And we're going to put the seasoning, oh, by the way, this is regular white flour. And this is 2 eggs that I scrambled up, okay? And we're going to season both, the eggs and the flour. So I'm putting some garlic into the eggs and the flour. Black pepper, the same process. You put it in both, the eggs and the flour. And some Larry seasoning salt. So we had ground garlic, black pepper, and Larry seasoning salt that we're seasoning with. Okay, now remember, how much seasoning is your choice. Okay, so now I mixed up the seasoning in the flour and the egg wash. Okay, I'm going to turn my fire down. I don't want it to get too hot. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're putting our okra in the egg wash. And mix it around so it gets on all 4 sides. I'm going to cut my fire off. I don't want it to get too hot on me. Okay, and then we're going to, after we have the okra with the egg wash on all sides, then we're going to dip it into the flour. So this is how we're looking, guys. Okay, now we're going to put it into the frying pan. I'm going to turn my fire back on. I have my fire on number 6 on a gas stove. You just got to put them in. And I'm using grapeseed oil in the frying pan. You can use whatever kind of oil you use. I like grapeseed oil and the benefits that you get from it. And it's right up there with olive oil. Okay, so I have all of these coated with the egg wash. Actually, with the eggs, I didn't even put the milk in to make the wash. So we just have it in eggs today. It is what it is. My milk is sitting right here, and I forgot to put it in my egg wash. But that's okay. We're still doing it. It's not the end of the world. But generally, if you make an egg wash, you want to mix it either with milk or water, okay? Okay, I'm not going to put no more in there. I'm going to let that fry so that it's not overcrowded and temperature doesn't drop. Okay, and I'll be right back when I get ready to turn those. Okay guys, so this is our second batch here. I'm taking out. Okay, that's what we're looking like. I'm going to plate it up and show you, okay? I'll be right back. Here you go, guys. Fried okra. How about that, huh? Okay, and let me get in the picture. Nice. Okay. Let me taste one. Just for you, okay? Okay, it's crunchy on the outside because, you know, the flour is on the outside, right? And you do taste a little sliminess, but nowhere near like if you was to boil it. If you like okra, you're going to really like this because it brings a different texture to the okra. Okay? Alright, so on that thought, let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is save, 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 and prepare for retirement. I cannot stress that enough because the amount of money that you get from retirement from Social Security will nowhere near support you. So for instance, if you have a house and a mortgage, that's a problem because the mortgage is probably equivalent to the whole check. You know, and if you're just a single person, then that's a problem. If it's two people, you still have a problem because now you have to the two of you have to live out of that one, out of the other one's check, right? It's a problem. So now I see why they say save for retirement, invest your money and that sort of thing, because you need that to go with your Social Security check in order to make it. Okay, so for you young people who are just starting out, please join your 401k, check into other investments that you can do, because the more the better. And don't touch it. let it stay there and grow, because you are going to need it. Okay, that's the word of the day. Retirement, you need more than that retirement check. You need additional money to survive. Okay, alright, hit that like button if you like the video. Okay, if you like the word of the day, hit that like button. If you're just like me, hit that like button. Okay, share the video and subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. I welcome all new subscribers. Okay, until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye bye.